Okay, boys and girls, I am back to play a game of old word, new word with you. So you will need the segment and write board. You will need the letters. If you don't have a segment and write board at home, which you probably won't, you should have the pink and the yellow letters so that you can do this with me. So have those out and ready to go. And I'm going to give you a word that we are going to stretch and find the sounds for. My first word is gap. Gap. She had a gap between her teeth. Gap. So let's stretch that word. Gap. Now, what's the first sound in gap? That's correct. You heard the sound. You may spell it. The next sound. Gap. The next sound, that's correct. Ah, you heard the sound, you may spell it. And the last sound, gap. Good, you heard the sound, you may spell it. All right, now we're going to push these letters together to play old word, new word. All right, so now we are going to change my old word gap to my new word nap. I would like to go and take a nap. So gap to nap. So what sound do you think is going to go out? That's correct, G. And what sound is going to come in? Very good. Oop, not that one. Here we go. Gotta see if I can click on it. All right. Now let's read my word like word bird. App, nap. Nap. Good job. Now let's change my old word nap to my new word nag. Nag. So when I go across that word, what sound do I not need anymore? That's correct. You heard the sound. You need to take the sound away. Sorry. Okay, put that sound away. That sound goes out. Now, what sound is going to come in for nag? Good job. G. G comes in. All right, let's read my word. Ag, nag, nag. So like if you nag your mom and dad, it's kind of like you ask them over and over and over again for something. Like, can we please go to the store? Can we please go to the store? That would be like nagging. All right, so now let's change my old word nag to my new word bag. Bag. What sound did we not need anymore in my old word? That's correct. N goes out. And I want to change it to my new word bag. What sound comes in? Nice. Good job. Oh, good job. It's being really sensitive here. All right, here we go. All right, so now let's read my word. Ag, bag. Good job. My word is bag. All right, now this time you can just set your letters down, put your pencils down, or if you're using a pencil to write the word or whatever you're doing, just watch and read. So I'm going to change my old word bag to my new word. What's my new word? Nice job. Big. I want to change my old word big to my new word. Bid. That's correct. Bid. Bid. Okay, I want to change my old word bid to my new word. Good job. Kid. Kid. I want to change my old word kid to my new word. Cad. Cad. Nice job. Now, what's the rule for this the K? Who does K take? Does K take the A or does C? That's correct. Good. So K is not going to be with the A on this one. Usually it's a C. All right. So my word still stays the same. It's just spelled differently. Cad. Nice job. Let's try another one. Let's change my old word cad to my new word mad. What sound goes out? Oh, sorry. I'm like forgetting what I'm doing here. Okay, so I just told you the answer. All right, so if I change my old word cad, here's my new word. Sorry, here we go. So my new word is mad. Nice job. All right, keep practicing that too. Good job, boys and girls.